Oh my gosh, not me sweating, girl. Hey y'all, it's Keisha and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing y'all how I apply my clip-ins and I do the braid method. I bought the viral Luvme hair clip-ins off TikTok and I just kept seeing the ad pop up over and over and over again, and it's probably because I kept interacting with it because I was like, oh, this looks good. So I bought them. This is the box it came with, really nice, and it also came with 2 clips. They also sent a little mini hair straightener, and then of course they sent the hair. So I got 2 packs of the 20-inch Yaki straight clip-ins. I just wanted a more natural look, so I didn't want to get like the body wave or anything. And then the kinky straight just was looking a little, it was looking more like a blowout look, and I wanted more of a silk press look. So that's why I went with the Yaki straight. So I've been wearing these clip-ins for, I want to say like 2 months now, so I feel like I can give a really good review of them while I show you how I wear them. So let's get started. So like I said, I do the braid method, so I just have a leave out situation going on right now. This is my leave out. And I found that with these clip-ins, I do have to do a little more leave out than I would normally think I have to do when wearing my hair straight because of how, let me show y'all, because of how big this band is, and it's kind of shiny. So if your hair is not covering this completely, like you can see it really well, especially if the light is hitting your head, it just doesn't look good. Like, so the band I actually do not like. I don't like the seamless weft. I actually prefer the weft where they just sew the hair in and sew the clips on, because it's not shiny for one, and then you can't see it. So I prefer regular clip-ins over the seamless band clip-ins because, like, why would you make it shiny? Hello? Like, that's my biggest gripe with the clip-ins. But the actual hair is really nice. Like, it doesn't tangle easily. It's really easy for me to brush through it. Oh, let me show y'all the back of my head. I was about to get started. Let me show y'all what the back of my head is looking like. So like I said, everything's braided back here. So let me just hook these into some other hair so that everything's laying flat. Okay. And so, like I said, I bought 2 packs and I try to use every clip when I put my hair in because I want my hair to be super full. Oh my gosh, not me sweating, girl. Okay, so I start in the back. I go from back to front because obviously that's the easiest. So I start with a 2 clip in the back, and then I take a 4 clip. I like to use this on like the main perimeter of my head. And the clips are really easy to use, like, you know, they don't hurt. I'm going to take the other 4 clip, put that on next. And I try to lay them pretty close together so I can fit as much hair as I need to in. So now I'm taking a 3 clip and starting on the side a little bit. And then I like to continue that with a 2. So I started like literally right at where my leave out starts, and then it ended right here. So I'm just gonna start this, my goodness. So I'm just gonna start this 2 clip from where that 3 ended. And that's gonna finish off on the side. And I'm going to do that again, taking another 3 clip weft. And I, as you can see, I did my leave out, my braids in like a side part. So there's gonna be less clips on this side than on this side. This is where most everything's gonna be packed in. I'm going to take this 3 clip, start right at where my leave out is, like, do you see how shiny this band is too? Like, when these aren't covered, I just don't like that. Like, I'm not a fan of the seamless weft. I'm just not. If I could go back in time, would I have bought these? Probably not, just based off the band. Like, the hair itself, like I said, is fine, but just based off this band and the fact that I have to use more leave out to cover the shininess, I wouldn't have bought them. And this is my last 2 clip, and I'm gonna pack that right on top. The only clips that I have left now are these 1 clips, and I have 4 of them because 2 come in each pack. So I'm just going to see if I have any gaps, any spaces where I can put these. So I've got some braids showing right here. I'm gonna put a clip here and put a clip here. And this side's pretty packed in, so I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm gonna take a clip, put this here. And I just have 1 clip left, so I'm just gonna put it somewhere, because why not? So I'm just gonna put this here. All right, everything is hooked in. All right, y'all, I am so sorry, but I had to turn that fan on. So if you hear a whirring sound in the back, that's what that is, but your girl was getting hot. Please don't hate me. But, I mean, you already see I'm sweating. Okay. So I have all 2 packs of the Yaki straight clipped in, and like you can see, it's really easy to brush. The hair looks really nice, but I really just hate the weft of the clip. Like, I'm not a fan at all. Okay, now it's time to get this leave out together. I have my hot comb and my flat iron turned on. I'm going to be using my Pattern Beauty heat protectant. Duh, that's what it's called. Okay. maybe sprayed a bit too much. I guess we'll find out if my end result looks greasy, but I feel like I really needed that. So I'm gonna go in and do my side part because I can't even see it anymore the way my roots have puffed up. Okay. Think that looks good. I'm going to use my Kera wax stick. Everything to be nice and flat and sleek, seamless. Now I'm going to get my hot comb. So I'm gonna hit these roots first. All right, now that I've got all my roots straightened, gonna go in and do the hair. I almost fell out my seat. I am using the BaByliss Nano Titanium. I have the heat on setting 40 and it goes all the way up to 50. So I don't ever use my hot tools on the highest setting. Oh, I also have this grip comb attachment. Just makes it really easy to separate your hair and do the chase method without, you know, holding a comb. All right, we have everything straightened. Just gonna brush it to blend. Another thing I will say that I don't like about the clip-ins, it kind of also has to do with the weft, but like the seamless band, when you're putting it on braids, because braids have, you know, their bumps, their ridges, they're braids, they're not, you know, completely flat like if you were to flat iron your entire head of hair and then put the clip-ins in. So like I feel like you can feel the clip-ins like puckering upward, and I'm not a fan of that either. Like honestly, I just hate the weft. I hate the weft. Like I said, if I could go back in time and not have bought these clip-ins just because of the weft, I would have bought some different clip-ins. But by the time I tried to return them, and I'm not gonna lie, I did try to return them because I hated the weft so much, but they were like, oh, you can't get a full refund if the clip-ins have been used. And I'm like, well, of course they've been used. How else would I know that I don't like them? And they were like, oh, we're sorry, we can offer you a partial refund. And so they gave me a partial refund and I just kept the hair. Their customer service was nice, but like, I get it, you know, it's fine. Everyone has their business ways, but I mean, the hair looks good. The hair looks good. It blends beautifully with my hair when I straighten it, and this is the exact look that I was going for. Like my hair in a silk press but longer. So I love the hair. I didn't even have to color the hair. This hair is actually a natural black color. It matches my hair. It looks really good. I just don't like the weft. So that's really my only gripe with the clip-ins. But I'm gonna keep using them because like they do look good. They do look good. So I'm gonna show y'all the back of my head, what it's looking like. But yeah, this is it. It's super easy to put in. It looks really nice, thick, full. It matches my hair really well. Oh, I will say that I've never curled the hair. Like every time I put in these clips, I only ever wear them straight. So if you're looking to like do curls or crimps, or you just know like other heat styles, I can't help you with that. I don't know how that will turn out because I have never curled the hair, but like the hair straightens very well. Actually, I didn't even straighten the hair. Like I literally just brushed it and put it in my head. I only straightened my own hair. So like the hair is really nice. I didn't even have to straighten it. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. My final review of the hair, I give the hair a 5 out of 5. But the clips, the wefts, the bands, I hate them. I'm not a fan at all. I wish I had bought this hair with their classic weft instead of the seamless weft. But you know, we live and we learn. I let you know all my thoughts so you can make that decision for yourself. And like I said, I got 20 inches. And so it's about this long on me. Yeah, the 20 inches, it's a pretty good length. I'm 5'4", just so y'all know, but I really like the length. Yeah, that is it for this review and installation of the Luvme hair clip-ins. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what y'all think. If you had the hair, if you would get the hair, let me know. Let's chat in the comments. And don't forget to leave a like if you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
I walk like this, I walk like this. I just in the video, I don't edit my pics. I work for it, I'm on my and when I'm walking by, I know the truth is